To Portland now, where angry students protested for hours today after a female student was raped on the campus of the College of Agriculture, Science and Education case. Students argue that security measures are inadequate and school administrators insist they're working to fix the problem. Andrea Chisholm explains.
Frustrated, furious and fearful. Students marching around the campus of the College of Agriculture, Science and Education case in Portland to detest the rape of a female student Sunday night at this very spot.
Why did we have to find out about this rape through the media? The school did not say anything to us. We found this out through the Gleaner.
Nakilia Jackson insists it's not the first time students are dealing with cases of sexual assault on a campus that is mostly dark at nights.
This is the second rape that has taken place here since I've been a part of this institution. And for the first rape, things were implemented, but for how long? The things were implemented for 1 month. For 1 month, we saw security and everything. But after that, the campus is literally a free-for-all. Anybody can come on campus without authorization. As I said, it's a free-for-all. You see persons on campus that don't have no business here, no type of business here. They're just walking up and down.
Obviously, what they have in place is not working, right? If you go around there right now, you can see that the area is heavily vegetated, right? The fence line itself is poor, right? Anybody can just cross the fence line, right? So there's many breaches on the property itself.
And what about the security cameras?
But where? The cameras are at the goat unit and at the farm. Why the animals are getting more security than us? Like, that does not make any type of sense. Clearly, they value the lives of the animals more than us.
President of CASE, Dr. Derek Deslanders, acknowledges that security has been a long-standing challenge at the school.
It's a massive campus. It's very difficult to secure. We have a lot of assets, especially biological assets that have to be protected. So we have to guard against theft in every theory you can think of. I am hoping I've had a preliminary discussion with the ministry, and they have asked me for a proposal to them in terms of what we think the security apparatus should look like.
The president says the plan is to hire more security guards, watchmen, and people to man the gate. There's also a proposal to fence sections of the campus. For the lighting, he says the institution is struggling with low voltage.
So you put up the lights and in 2 weeks it is knocked out. So it's a constant replacement of lights. I mean, we are now we have started to secure solar lights as an additional option.
A bus will be used to shuttle students when needed. Regarding accusations that students were not informed about the incident, he said there was a meeting with the student council president.
We sent a note out, we informed, indicate to students, we shared up with you. We have not really had any further discussion with police, so we have some preliminary information, but what we know is what the students know.
Dr. Deslanders adds that the victim will be receiving support from CASE. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.